uAdvocate Gcaleka uthi abantu abangaphelelwa isineke njengoba kungaqali ukuthi uphenyo olwenziwa iLihhovisi lomvikeli womphakathi luthathe isikhathi.
Historically, the PPSA has never completed an EMEA investigation within 30 days. For instance, the state capture investigation took 7 months at PPSA, plus the further 4 years at the Zondo Commission of Inquiry to complete. Further, the Nkandla investigation took more than 2 years, whereas the Busasa CR17 matter took 8 months. And as we know, this matter was set aside on the basis of the criticism on how we went about in our investigation due diligence.
Uthi sekuqiniswe nethimba eliphenya ngalolu daba ukuze kuphuthunyiswe uphenyo.
The team has since been reinforced and is now comprised of the chief investigator, a senior investigator, both of whom report to an executive manager, who in turn reports to the acting chief operations officer, who is overall responsible for investigations. This team is working around the clock to ensure the finalization of this matter within a reasonable time and yet produce a report that will stand the test of scrutiny.
uAdvocate Gcaleka uthi lelihhovisi lifuna ukuqiniseka ukuthi alishiyi lutho ngaphandle kulolu phenyo.
One cannot overemphasize the need for the investigation to be thorough and to leave no stone unturned, to be fair to the parties, including the respondents, and to be conducted within the bounds of the Constitution and the law. It is critical to follow due process.
Uphinde wakhipha imibiko engamashumi amabili nesishagalolunye yeyikhalo ebeyiphenywa iLihhovisi lomvikeli womphakathi.